guys. I hope I'm live right now, guys. You are all able to my voice, guys, and I hope I'm live right now, guys. Video, guys, please. You are all able to my voice, guys, and I hope I'm live right now, guys. Video, guys, please. You are all able to my voice, guys, and I hope I'm live right now, guys. Video, guys, please. You are all able to my voice, guys, and I hope I'm live right now, guys. Video, guys, please. You are all able to my voice. Video, guys, please. You are all able. Please let my voice. There is no video, guys. Please. You are all able. Please let my voice. There is no video, guys. Please. You are all able. Please let my voice. There is no video, guys. Please. You are all able. Please let my voice. There is no video, guys. You are all able. Please let my voice. There is no video, guys. You are all able. Please let my voice. There is no video, guys. You are all able. Please let my voice. There is no video, guys. You are all able. Please let my voice. There is no video, guys. You are all able. Please let my voice. There is no video, guys. You are all able. Please let my voice. There is no video, guys. You are all able. Please let my guys wait for a second. Second, just let me. Yeah, guys, I hope now that issue is resolved, guys. Please let me know. Yeah, guys, I hope now that issue is resolved, guys. Please let me know. Yeah, guys, I hope now that issue is resolved, guys. Please let me know. Yeah, guys, I hope now that issue is resolved, guys. Please let me know. Yeah, guys, I hope now that issue is resolved, guys. Please let me know. Yeah, guys, I hope now that issue is resolved, guys. Please let me know. Yeah, guys, I hope now that issue is resolved, guys. Please let me know. Yeah, guys, I hope now that issue
Guys,
is
please
resolved, guys. Please let me know.
Any issue
Yeah,
with the voice,
guys, I hope now that issue
guys,
is
please
resolved, guys. Please let me know.
Any issue
Yeah,
with the voice,
guys, I
echo is
hope
coming.
now that issue guys, now let me know, is that thing clear, that echo has resolved? Yeah, good evening, sir. Guys, please let me know. Okay, guys. Okay. Actually, guys, there was some problem with the setup. Okay, no issue, guys. So, guys, tell me, how are you? Excited for this amazing boot camp? Yeah, guys, excited for this amazing boot camp, guys. Yeah, guys. Okay, so be energetic, guys. Okay. So, guys, now let me give me a brief introduction of mine. Okay. So, guys, I have also given it yesterday. Okay, but there was some issue, guys. Okay, it was some issue with the system. Now I have resolved it. Okay. So, guys, my name is Kashish, and currently I am intern at British Airways. Okay, and I am also working with the DevTown. Okay, in which I am involved in training across 1 lakh people. Okay, and helping them to get their good placement, okay, in their dream company, which we can say. Okay, so is it clear, guys? Okay, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Many of you are writing good afternoon, guys. It is good evening, but whatever, good afternoon if you are writing. Okay. Okay, so guys, no attendance for the yesterday, guys, but today it will definitely be a attendance. Okay. Okay, guys, today there will definitely be a attendance. Okay, so you don't have to worry on that part, guys. Okay. Yeah, guys, multiple screen are coming because I am at this YouTube right now. okay? But when I will start teaching you in the Google Colab, so at that time it will not give you a trouble, okay? It clear, guys? Okay, guys, it is right from my side. Okay, and guys, let me tell you, I can take the attendance anytime, okay? Okay, so you guys have to be present till the last, okay? And guys, if you don't fill the attendance on time, okay, and there is a any, we can say that miscommunication in your attendance, okay, some like you have not filled the attendance form, so guys, you will not get the certificate. Guys, from my side, I don't think that there is any issue in the internet. Okay, if you are facing any issue, guys, it is maybe from your end. Okay, please try to resolve it. Okay, so now, guys, what we will be doing today? Okay, so guys, today we will just begin with the Python. Okay, and guys, for this I have made this amazing notes. Okay, as you can see on the screen, so I have made this amazing notes for you. Okay, and I would be also giving you some live example. Okay, on basics on this notes. Okay, for this, guys, we will use a Google Colab. Okay, guys, multiple screen will resolve. Okay, when I will switch between the different screen. Okay, so please don't focus on that. Okay, just focus on my voice. Okay, because it is much more important. So guys, I have made this amazing notes, guys, in which you can see. Okay, I have covered the Python from the very much basic. Okay, from the data types and operators, print function in Python, variables, guys, which are the very basic topic in the Python. Okay, now guys, what are the importance of this learning the basic? So when you will be going for an interview, okay, so there the interviewer will not ask you like we can say rocket science questions. He will definitely ask you these basics only. Okay, so I hope this thing is very much clear. Voice is breaking, guys. I don't think that there is any issue with the voice from my end. Okay, as you can see, it is running perfectly fine. Okay, so if there is any issue, guys, please try to resolve it from your end. Yeah, I have made the very good. Okay, and now coming to the part from where you can get this notes link. Okay, so you just have to go here. Okay, in here you can see there would be a GitHub link. Okay, so you just have to simply click on this link and will take a second. Okay, just give it a second, and you can see that our notes are being displayed on the screen. Okay, so guys, please don't do coding. Okay, I will be doing coding in a next few minutes. Okay, but I recommend you please don't do with me. Okay, because it would become very much difficult for you to understand the basics also and do the coding also. Okay, and I really don't want this kind of like, if you are facing this thing, okay, I really don't want. Okay, so please don't do any kind of coding with me. For this, we would be using Google Colab. Okay, so now let me tell you how you can open it. So you just have to open the Colab here. Okay, so just click on this Colab. Just give it a while so it can get opened. Yeah. See, now guys, our Google Colab is open. Okay. Guys, tell me if there is any issue till here. Tell me any issue. Okay, okay, perfect. Yeah, I will zoom the screen. Okay, I am not zooming it because it is not required. Okay, and guys, many of you are writing just present sir, present sir. Okay, you don't have to write it here. I would be sharing a attendance link with you. So in that you have to give the attendance. Okay, so guys, please behave like intelligent people. Okay, don't do any unnecessary work which is not requires. Okay, so now just let me open to this Google Colab. So now here guys you can see there are the many options. Okay, recent, Google Drive, GitHub, upload. So just fuck off this others option. So what you have to do, you just have to simply copy this link, okay, from the GitHub link which I have provided you, and just go to this GitHub link. This okay, so guys, the thing is very simple. You just have to go to this GitHub, okay, and you have to copy paste this link here. Okay, as you can see, and just press the no new notebook. Is it clear? Guys, link that is provided in the description of this video. Okay. Okay, link is provided. Okay, there only. Yeah. Okay, so see guys. Okay, wait a second. Now, guys, let me tell you the reason behind using the Google Colab. Okay, because guys, many of you are not having that much high performance laptop. Okay, and I also know that. So the reason why we are using this Google Colab is because guys, can use, everyone can utilize. Okay, so our notebook is created. Okay, so now just open it. Okay. So see guys, as here you can see now it is opened in our Google Colab. Okay. So now guys, when I would be coding in this, okay, so it would be running in a server which is provided by the Google. Okay. So it will not heat up your PC. Okay. It will not make any delay in it. Okay. So I hope till here there is everything is very much clear. Okay. Is there any issue guys? Tell me. Okay. Okay guys. Yeah, guys, Collab is not more efficient than VS Code, but the reason behind I have told you. So everyone can take the advantage of this session. Okay, everyone can take the advantage of this bootcamp. Okay, so because guys, there are many people who don't have that much high performance PC, so everyone can take the benefit of it. Okay, guys, link is provided in the description of this video. Okay, don't ask again and again. I have already told you. Okay, so now coming to the very basic point, guys, what is the data types and operators? Okay, So it is a very basic of the Python. If you are just starting with the Python, so I would recommend this thing is a first like step you need. Okay, so learning with the Python. Okay, so guys, there are different type of data types which are integers, floats, boolean, strings, lists, tuples, sets, and dictionary. Okay, and guys, in programming, data types is an important concept. Okay, I hope it is very much clear. Now coming to the data types, which is our first data types, name as the integer. Okay. So guys, as you have learned in the math, so what is an integer? Okay, guys, can you tell me in the this chat box what is the integer? Guys, everyone is asking attendance. Guys, as you guys are here just for the sake of attendance. Okay, yeah. So, guys, any number, okay, in the coding language, we refer it as a integer. Okay, is it clear, guys? So now let me show you one thing. Okay, so okay, I have having this. No problem. I will clear it. Okay, so guys, I have written a code here as a x is equal to 3. Okay, and now if I write print type x and run it. Okay, so just wait for a second. Okay, guys, just wait for a second. This Google Colab is running a bit, so I don't know why it is running a bit slow. Okay, so as you can see, guys, it is showing me the class integer. Okay, so the reason behind that is because it is of course an integer value 3, 4, 1, 10, 200, 500, 1000, 10,000. Okay, these all come in the integer value. Is it clear? Tell me, is the integer clear? Guys, link is in the description. Okay, please try to figure it out. It is already in the description. Okay, so now coming to the our second data operators, which is referred as a float. So guys, float or a floating point number is a number, positive or negative, we don't care. Okay, containing one or more decimal. So the decimal value in this we can say the Python is referred as a float. Okay, now coming here. Okay, if I add a decimal here, like suppose 3.1. So now if I run this, just wait for a second. See guys, now it is giving us a float value because all the number which are having a decimal in the Python is referred as a float value. Okay, guys, tell me, is it clear? Is it clear? This float value. Okay, yeah, guys, all values containing the decimal is known as the float value. Okay, now if I add another decimal here, guys, let us see what will happen. Okay, if I again run it, see now this time it is giving a error because we cannot have that two decimal in a one variable. Okay, now coming to the guys point, which is booleans. Guys, you have learned the boolean, okay, as 0 1. Okay, many of you have learned, but in the Python it is a little bit different. It is all between the true or false. Okay, for an example, like, okay, let me clear it. For an example, guys, if I am having a variable a is equal to true, okay, and if I type print the type of it, type a. Okay, now if I run this code, okay, wait a sec. Let us capital. Guys, you have to take care of the alphabets in the Python, okay? Otherwise, it will give you a error. I know it is very much hectic to remember all the time, but guys, you have to. You don't have any other options. Okay. Now, guys, if I run this code, see, guys, now it is giving me this BOOL. Okay, so now what it is referring here? So it is referring that it is a Boolean form. Okay, either it will be a true or either it will be a false. Okay, so I hope, guys, now this thing is very much clear. Okay, tell me, guys, is this Boolean clear? Guys, I can take attendance anytime. Okay, please don't predict. I can take attendance anytime at the time which I will want. Okay, okay, it is clear. Okay, no issue, guys. Okay, so now, guys, coming to the string. Okay, now as the next part we are having is as a string. So, guys, please let me know in the comment box how many of you know the string, and let me know what is the string. Okay, I also want to learn, okay, from you. Let me know what is string. Okay, guys, if you are facing the problem with the Google Colab, okay, so I would recommend please see any YouTube video, okay, or any tutorial in which you can set up, okay, your Google Colab. Okay, so guys, so what is string? So guys, string is a set of character. Okay, now for an example, if I okay, let me clear this. Okay, let me clear this. So I have x is equal to, and guys, you can keep the string in the single quote also, in the double quote also. Okay, if I have this x is equal to DevTown, okay, and now if I run the type of x, okay, and now if I run it, just wait for a second, will running. See, guys, now it is referring us as a string. Okay, because it is a set of characters. We have just characters in the DevTown. Okay, so now if I use the single quote here, okay, now if I run it, let us see what will happen. See, guys, it is giving me an error. Okay, but now if I remove the double quote from the end side, okay, and now we have the both single quote, let us see what will happen. See, guys, it is again running. Okay, so you can use the single quote also, you can use the double quote also, guys. There is no any issue with it. Okay, so is it clear, guys? Okay, okay. So it is clear to all of you. Okay, I think. So now guys, coming to our next data operators, which is the tuples. So guys, it is a, we can say, combination or a group of character. Okay, like suppose guys, I have went to the market, okay, and I have to made a, we can say, list type, we can say, although it is not related to the list, okay, it is totally different, but we can say, okay, so I will create a tuple here. Now let me create it. Okay, so we will just now work with the tuple. So we will use this bracket, a curly bracket. This I have, suppose I want to get to the shop. Okay, I bet pens. Okay, and then guys, I bought the veggies. Okay, and then I got the chips. Okay, so for this I have made it, guys. If I now print the type of it, okay, just press Control plus Enter. Your code will run, guys. Okay, just have to press the Control plus Enter. See, guys, now it is giving me a tuple. Okay, and now if I, guys, I use a bracket at the one place. So now let us see what will happen to our code. Okay, see guys, it is also running. So it is up to you. Okay, you want to use a single quote here or a double quote here. Okay, there is no issue in it. Guys, I hope now tuple is very much clear. Is it clear? Okay, guys, screen is clear, guys. If there is any issue, I think it is from the your end. Hey, guys, now let me show you another example, guys. Now, if what is the thing, I kept the value like integer value in it. Okay, now suppose I kept the 20 in it. Okay, I kept the value 30 in it and 1 as a this string value. Okay, now if I again run this code, let us see what will happen to it. See guys, again it is running perfectly. Okay, again it is running perfectly. It is giving us a output as a tuple here. Okay, it doesn't care what you have kept in it. Is it clear, guys? Yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, guys. Is it clear? I think. Okay. Session got ended. Guys, are you able to hear my voice? Please tell me. List, I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay. So now coming to the part which is our next. Okay, it is named as the sets. Okay. So, guys, how many of you have learned sets in the maths? Okay, please let me know. Please let me know how many of you have learned sets in the 11th or 12th class. Guys, link is in the description. Okay, see here it is notes. Okay, link is already in the description. Please don't get confused. Okay, so guys, sets are used to store multiple item in a single variable. And now guys, suppose you need to make any single variable only, okay, and you have to keep the all items in it. So in that case, we use the set. Set is one of the four built-in data types in the Python used to store data collection. Okay, so now let me show you a set how this works. Okay, hear it. Okay, so now suppose I have set here. Okay, now guys, coming to the set, you have to use the curly bracket here. Okay, so you have to use the curly bracket here. You don't have to use that round bracket. So you have to use a curly bracket in which you have to enter the elements. Like I suppose I want to add the city's name like Delhi. Okay, then give it a comma. Okay, again start with the another city name like we can say Dehradun. Okay, and then start with the comma, and there is another city name like Noida. Okay, so guys, this thing will be referred as a set in the Python. Okay, is it clear? Okay, is it clear, guys? And now coming to the part, now if I want to print the type of it, okay, and now if I print it, see guys, now it is showing me a set. Okay, and now if I want to keep any integer value here, okay, like 3 here, I run it. Let us see what will be happening. See guys, again it is running. Okay, so now guys, what we are learning from this thing, we can keep any kind of value here, whether it be a integer, okay, whether it be a at alphabetical value. Okay, we can also use the float here. So let me show you. I keep the 4.5 here, enter. Okay, see, again it is showing us as a set. Okay, is it clear? Okay, let us also use the boolean. Okay, guys, it will not consider the boolean. Okay, it will consider it as a string only. Uh, Run it. See, again it will show it as a set. Okay, now coming to our next data type, which is as a dictionary. Okay, so guys, now it is a very important data type in the Python. So guys, please focus on it. Okay, now let me clear it. So, guys, this dictionary is like we can say you all have used the dictionary. I think. Okay, you all people are smart. Okay, I hope that you all have used the dictionary. So now let us create a dictionary here. So if I have a variable a, okay, and now if I want to create a dictionary for like we can say category of the day. So if we create a category here, car, okay, then guys you have to use this, okay, semicolon here. Is it clear? Okay, so we have to use this car here, okay, and give it a space. So it is a type of the vehicle, okay, and now if I create another for the like truck, okay, so it lies in the category of the commercial vehicle, okay. Now create the another category here, like for say scooty, okay, so definitely it's a killer. Okay, so now guys, what we have done, we have created the dictionary here. Okay, is for all. Okay, now if I want print this, guys, print I will also tell you, okay, in the upcoming part. Okay, so don't worry on it. I will tell you the every feature of the print. Okay, there is some. Well, yeah. So now, guys, come the part where we why we have faced error, guys. Can any one of you tell me why we have faced the error? Guys, can you tell me? I want to see why we have faced the error. Yeah, guys. Okay, so we have not applied the comma here. Okay, so now when I have added the comma here, now let us see what will happen if I run this. See, guys, now the dictionary has been created here. Okay, as you can see on the screen. Okay, so it has created the dictionary. Car stand for the vehicle. Okay, so all these stand for the vehicle. Okay, I have just made in the random form. Okay, so please don't consider it as a real. So truck as a commercial, scooty as a two wheeler. Is it clear? Now coming to the part arithmetic. Okay, so I will explain this arithmetic with that print only. Okay, so guys, print is a command, okay, which we like give to the Python compiler. Okay, so C Python, print this A. Okay, for example, if I use the print A, okay, our code B, let us see what will give us. Okay, I think that previous code is still running. It this. So in this, if I print A, okay, so C is not defined here. Okay, so now let me define the C. If I give it a command, C is equal to 2, okay, and I run this, see, it is giving me a output 2. Okay, so why it is giving me a output 2? Because I have created the value for the C Python. This C is referred as a 2. So whenever I will call it as a print, okay, so I am ordering the compiler of the Python, C Python, this print C, and the C is referred as a 2. So that's why the reason it is giving me as a 2. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Okay, okay. So, guys, this print is very simple. Okay, you just have to command the Python. Okay, and now coming to the part. Now, if I use a 3 plus 5 here, okay, and I use the 4 here. Now, if I run this code, see guys, it is giving me 12. So, can any one of you tell me why it is not giving this 3 plus 5 and this all this? Okay, so can anyone tell me why it is not giving us? Because guys, the thing is that now Python is always com- uh, compiling the last line of your code. Okay, so in the last we have this 3 into 4. So now what this Python has done, it has ignored this 3 plus 5. Okay, so it is ignored this. So now for printing this, so what we can do, we can use this print here. Okay, and use this print also here. Okay, and now if I run it, so let us see what will happen. See guys, now it is all giving me both the values. Okay, so this is how we gonna command the Python. Okay, now what I have done, I have commanded the Python. See Python, print all the both values. So it is printing. Okay, and now if I remove it from the here, so Python will again not listen to me. Okay, now it is giving me the 12 only. It clear, guys? Okay, you will be seeing the print function very frequently in Python. Okay, so it guys, it is a note I have made you. It helps us to see what exactly is happening in our code. Try to run the next line of your code and see what next happens. Okay, and guys, if I print this, if I run this command, see. Okay, so now coming to the part, guys, what are the variables? Okay, can any one of you tell me what are the variables? Okay, you guys are very intelligent. Okay, so guys, variables are used to store the values. Okay, using variables in place of direct numbers have many advantage, guys. I have made this node in a very simpler way. Okay, so everyone can understand. Okay, creating a new variable in Python is very simple. So guys, here what I have done, I have made a variable month is equal to 12. Okay, now if I print this month, so now what I will be happen, I will just printing it. See guys, it is giving me a 12. Okay, because I have created the month as a variable in which I have given a value 12. Okay, now if I put any like 34, now if I print it, see guys, it will again give me a this new output as the 34. Okay, and in the variables, guys, we can change the value anytime which in the between we want. Okay, it clear? Okay, so now guys, I have created a task for you. Okay, so now it's your turn. Create a variable name rent. Okay, with its being value as a 1700. Okay, so now let me show you how you can do it. Okay, so now for we have to create a variable rent. Okay, so I will be using rent equal to 1700. Okay, So now what I will do, I will just give it a Python a command, C Python, please print the rent. Okay, so it will definitely print the rent as a 1700. See guys, now it is printing 1700. Is it clear guys? Okay, okay guys, okay. I hope is it clear. Okay. So now guys, here is a one more thing here. Okay. So now what I have done here, I have created a variable as a is equal to 3. Then I have created a loop, okay, as a b is equal to a. I have directed the Python. Yes, see, Python print b. So now let us see what will be happening here. If I run this code, see, guys, it is printing as a 3. Okay, now what I have, it has done, the compiler goes to b. Okay, so now let us see what is the b. So in the b, it has seen that, okay, it is referring as a. And now what is the value in the a? Definitely, guys, we have entered the value 3. See, guys, now it is giving it a value as a 3. Okay, and now guys, let us support if I print the x here. Okay, although x is not present here, now if I run it, see guys, it will definitely give me a error. Okay, I think that it is running that the upper code. Okay, that's why it is not giving us a error. No problem guys. Okay, so I hope guys now this thing is very much clear. Okay, now guys, coming to the multiple assignment operator. Okay, so guys, now here what I have done, I have created a that formula for the height, length and width. Okay, so now guys, I have to create a formula. So guys, I have given the height here as a 3, length here as a 6, width here as a 2. Okay, so guys, as you know, what is the formula for the volume? It is very simple: height multiply by length multiply by width. Okay, so this would be a formula for the volume. Okay, so now I have print the volume here. So now if I print it here, see guys, what will be happening? So it is giving me a value 36. Okay, so why it is giving us a value 36? So 6 into 3 is equal to 18, into 2 is equal to 36. So that's why it is giving us a value 36. Okay, so it is a multiple assignment operator. Now guys, now suppose if I add the addition sign here and run it, so let us see what will be happening here. So it is giving us a value 15. Okay, now if I add the bracket here, guys, you also try this different thing. Okay, just not focus on the things which I am telling here only. Okay, do it by yourself also. Okay, because then you will be able to explore the more about the Python. Okay. See now guys, it is also giving me the value as a 15. Okay, but now if I again add the plus sign here, now I again run it. See guys, now it is giving me a value 11, because 3 plus 6, 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Is it clear? So yeah guys, you are very intelligent. Okay, yeah guys, yeah. Okay, clear guys. So I hope now this concept is very much clear. Okay, so now guys, Python is a very useful way to assign multiple variable together in a single line using multiple assignment like this. Guys, you can also use the multiple assignment like this. And guys, trust me, when you guys would be working with the DSA, okay, or any other coding platform in which you have to don't make your code very much hectic, so this method will be used a lot. Okay, so now guys, what I have done, I have given it a height followed by comma, length, comma, width. Okay, then after the equal to, I have given the value here, okay, as a 3 is equal comma 6 comma 2. Okay, now I have created the formula, which is the formula for the volume equal to height into length into width. Okay, and now if I run this, see guys, what will be happening here? See guys, it is running perfectly. Okay, so guys, this is a very important, we can say, a thing in the Python. Okay, because the guys, sometimes a situation would be you are having, like you cannot create a any like this in this form as you can see on the screen. Okay, like the every line you are assigning a value. Okay, so sometimes it is very much hectic, okay, and it will make also make your code long. Okay, so it is a very convenient way. I would recommend go with this way if you are finding possible your code. Okay, so guys, now comes the variable naming. Okay, let us what I have told you. Okay, guys, I have tell you the things. Yeah, see, guys. Now it there are the integers and the float. Okay, I have already told you. Okay, so now okay, variable naming I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, because there is a reason behind it. I will tell you this reason tomorrow only. Okay, so now let me tell you about the integers and the float. Okay, so guys, here you can see. So I have the value here. Okay, as a print 3 by 2. So guys, tell me in the chat box what is this value? Is it an integer or a float? It is an integer or a float? Yeah, guys, it is a float value. Okay, and now if I add the type here, so by this method I can find the type of it. See guys, it will definitely show me a float. See guys, it is showing me as a class float. Okay, is it clear, guys? Yeah, guys. Okay, so definitely, guys, it is a float value. Okay, and guys, this I have also told you guys. This first one is an integer. Okay, if I run it, guys, I recommend all of you please go through this note once. Okay, because then only, guys, you would be getting the depth of the concept. Okay, which I am trying to explain you guys. Okay, is it clear? Please let me know, guys. Attendance form I will be sharing anytime. Okay, whenever I will feel. Okay, I guys, first tell me, are you just here for the sake of attendance? Yeah, guys, I am just here for. I like you people can learn new things. Okay, you can gain knowledge. Please, okay. Yeah, guys, okay, okay, okay. So now, guys, coming to the point. Okay, so guys, I have a value here. Okay, so now let us see what if I print it. Okay, guys, now it is a boolean value. Okay, so it is also a boolean value, guys. If I print it, guys, I have told you what will happen. See, okay. So guys, I hope now till now there is everything is very much clear, guys. Please let me know. Guys, surprise is of the project. Okay, that project would be a surprise for you. It would be a very great project. Okay, so I will not reveal it because guys, surprise are not meant for revealing. Okay, okay, guys. So now I would be sharing a attendance guys link with you. Wait for a second. Copy this link. So guys, link has been shared, guys. Let me know. Has all of you got the link? Please let me know. Guys, I have shared the attendance link. Okay, I have shared it once more. Okay, please see it. Guys, attendance is very much important. Okay, on the behalf of that attendance only, you guys would be getting a certificate. Okay, and if you will miss the attendance even for the one day, guys, I will not your certificate. Okay, who are typing the no in the chat box, guys, please scroll your chat little down. Okay, attendance link is present. Okay, second. Guys, I have pinned the message. Okay, you can see. Now, guys, let me know. It is clear. Okay, guys, okay. So, guys, we would be continuing this session, okay, tomorrow at the 7:30 p.m. Guys, please be sure you don't get in the session late, okay? Because I can uh, give the attendance form in the starting also. In the between, okay, whenever I will think, okay, it's up to me. I can give in the last also and in the middle also, or just by the couple of minutes starting this session. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, guys. So, guys, thank you very much, guys. We will meet tomorrow at the same time, 7:30, guys. Please be prepared. Okay, please go through these notes, okay, and try to learn the concept which I have explained in the notes. Okay, practice this notes by your hand, because then only you will be get the experience, okay, which we call as the hands-on experience. Okay, is it clear? Okay, guys. Okay, guys, thank you very much, guys. Bye bye. Good night, guys. Good night.